Hello everyone, good evening all of you. Welcome back once again to the channel Psycho Professor English. If you are aiming for GATE 2024 and if you are aiming for UGC NET 2023 and so on 2024, keep watching the channel. If you are watching for the first time, do subscribe it right away and like the video at the end. Okay, so in this quick video, we're gonna talk about the date of examination of your UGC NET 2023. Okay, so GATE examination, the forms will be out around August and September. Okay, so keep on checking that, and if you have subscribed the channel, don't worry, the information will be provided to you on time. And if you are aiming for UGC NET 2023, your dates are, as of now, it's 13th of June to 22nd of June. Your examination will be held mostly in this phase only, and 5-10 days up and down happens every time by the examining authority. So no worries, what you have to do, you have to start studying. Already you would have started studying, but if you are watching, if you are having for the first time, so start preparing right away. Exam will be held here only, and pretty soon your application form will be out. Application form will be out very soon, so don't waste time in filling on last day. Start filling right away from day 1 or 2 so that you can focus completely on your subject code 04 psychology. Okay, keep watching the channel. We will be solving the 2023 paper. One two video is already out. We will be very soon solving the 2023 paper complete, and some videos on how to prepare will be provided to you as well. If you have any query, any comment down below, and if you want to join for the Telegram, you can join by searching for the same name, Psycho Professor English, on the Telegram search bar. Alright, okay, thank you very much and have a nice day ahead. See you soon. Nice night ahead. Thank you.